Section 1.7, percentage problems. We have some word problems. There are 2,000 students registered to vote. If only 500 students go out to vote on November 6, 2018, what fraction of students voted in 2018? The first thing we're going to do is gather some important information in the question. What fraction? When I'm thinking about fraction, I need to think of part over whole. In this problem, what is the whole number? 2,000 students were registered to vote. If only 500 students go out and vote, so here's my other number. And so I have the part that goes out to vote. And I mean the part of the students. And then all of that are registered. So putting all of this information together, we have 500 over 2,000. Beautiful. All right, let's simplify. Every time you have a fraction, you must simplify. This is actually some nice simplification. We see these matching zeros. This is the only time that you can kind of remove a part of a number. It doesn't happen any other time. This is 50 times 10, and this is 200 times 10, and you're actually eliminating that zero. This zero is that zero, and it's actually a multiplication by 10. But once again, it's the only time that it happens like this. So this one, and we are down to 5 over 20. And I know that both of those have a factor of 5. And so it's 5 divided by 5 is 1, 20 divided by 5 is 4. And we have 1/4. I'm going to encourage you to do part B. It says what percentage of students voted in 2018. If you notice, it's the same question, right? And all you have to do is take your 1/4 and create a percentage, which we've practiced in several other sections. Question number 2. There are 3,120 students enrolled at one EPCC campus in the fall 2018. If enrollment needs to increase by 30%, how many more students need to register next fall, 2019? In this case, they're asking us to increase, and they're asking us how many students are needed for that increase. So my first thought is, well, if they're asking me to increase, I need to increase by 30%. And then my question is, 30% of what? Well, let's build this some more. 30% of 3,120 students. The body of students right now is at 3,120. We need to get 30% and add that to this student body already. So an important keyword that we see in this question is the word of. 30% of is a multiplication. It's a very important keyword. And another thing that we do with 30% is we convert it to a decimal. So we have 0.30 times 3,120. And we're actually ready to calculate. Let's multiply 0.30 times 3,120. That is 936 students more. 936 more students are needed.